In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Regions Bank online banking password. So let's jump right in and go through the steps together to get your online access back up and running smoothly. The first thing you want to do is navigate over to the Regions Online Banking login page. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the website URL www.regions.com. Once the home page loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a login button. Click on that and you'll be prompted to select what you want to log into. You have a few options here such as online banking, mortgage, loan payment, investment accounts, and more. Once you've made your selection, proceed to click on. Now the next step is crucial. Once you're on the login screen, you should see an option that says Forgot Password right below the password entry box. Click on that link. This will guide you to a new page where we'll start the process of resetting your password. The third step involves providing some essential information to verify your identity. You'll need to enter your online ID or username. The form will also ask for either your account number or your social security number, SSN. Make sure you have these details handy. Additionally, if requested, you might need to input your date of birth and email address. Accurately fill in all the required fields to move forward in the process. After you've entered your information, the next step is verifying your identity. Regions Bank will send a one-time security code or OTP either to your registered phone number or email address. Keep an eye on your messages or email inbox. Once you receive the code, enter it in the designated field to confirm it's really you trying to reset the password. Finally, we're almost there. It's time to create a new password. Choose a secure password that meets Regions Bank security requirements. These requirements often include a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and possibly special characters, ensuring your new password is strong and secure. Once you've settled on a new password, type it in and confirm it by entering it again. Make sure to remember this new password or store it safely. Once you're confident it's correct, go ahead and submit it. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully reset your Regions Bank online banking password. By following these instructions, you'll ensure that your online banking experience remains secure and hassle-free. If you encounter any bumps along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to Regions Bank customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching and see you next time.